How to transfer Robux to another account without group. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's start with this tutorial. To transfer Robux to another account without a group, you need to create a pass. That can be either your creation of your t-shirts or just general pass. That can be purchased by a friend or by yourself. You need to select on the Create tab in your Roblox. You'll be redirected to your Creator Hub in your Roblox. From this list, select on Creations. Now you will see your place. Go ahead and select your place. In your left hand side, you will find some of these options. Scroll down until you see Monetization, then select Passes under Monetization. Now as you can see, I already have a pass. To create similar, just tap on Create a Pass. You can add a photo of your own. Now in the name, you can name it anything that you want to. You can add a description or skip it as it is optional. Then just tap on Create Pass. Now this is how you have created your pass. However, as you can see, this is off sale in comparison to my another pass that is saleable. To transfer Robux to another account through this pass, tap Open this pass first and foremost. Now in your left hand side, you will see the sales option. Tap on it. Toggle on Item for Sale and type in the price in Robux. Then just tap on Save Changes. Now you can send the link of this pass or ask a friend to purchase this pass. By this way, you'll be able to transfer Robux to another account without a group. Wasn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.